So we are now doing the roof framing, and this is the tubular roof trusses and purlins. They are installing right now, at ito na nga ang ating accomplishment sa ngayon. Nasa roof framing na sila para sa ating tubular trusses. So yan, ito ang ating tubular trusses. So nasa masonry works na tayo, and then steel trusses, that's up now. Ito ang update sa ating construction right now. So masonry works and steel framing ng ating roof trusses. So dito meron ditong washroom, back-to-back washroom sa kabila dito. Ito yung reinforcement para sa ating fascia board. So nagpe-painting na tayo ng ating roof trusses. Ito yung fascia board na channel, C-channel na 2x6, at meron tayong reinforcement na angular bar. And then yung tubular, yun na rin. And then meron tayong, ang purlins natin are made up of 2x4 tubular bar. And then meron tayong sagrad in the middle ng ating trusses na 10mm diameter na sagrad. Ito yung deliver ng ating long span na yero. So we are now doing plastering of the masonry works right now. So this is the plastering. So nagpa-plaster na tayo ng hollow blocks. Steel trusses also is in progress right now. So plastering na tayo ng hollow blocks sa exterior. So nag-start na tayo mag-install ng ating roofing. So inakit nila yung isang sheet ng roofing right now. So nag-install na tayo ng ating roofing. At bago ang roofing, naglalagay tayo ng screen sa taas bago ilagay yung installation, and then yung metal roofing. Ito yung foam insulation na double-sided na ilalagay natin sa ating roofing. Ito ang laying ng insulation para sa steel roofing. Pero meron tayong nilagay muna na wire mesh na screen para masalo siya, para hindi siya magsag. Nakapag-start na tayo ng layout ng ating roofing at naglagay din tayo ng insulation and then wire mesh to support the insulation. So naglatag tayo ng wire to support the insulation. So ito yung roof insulation na double-sided, and then meron tayong steel roofing. Installation ng roofing, and then naglagay muna tayo ng chicken wire, and then insulation, and then yung steel roofing. This is the update for our construction work, and what we have here is we are finishing the masonry work. We are doing plastering for the exterior. We are installing the roof with insulation, chicken wire, and steel roofing. We still have all the scaffolding, the steel scaffolding, and we are now also installing all the doors. Tomorrow we are scheduled to install the windows as well. So this is the activity right now. We are almost, I can say, 70% finished with the work. There's still a lot of finishing touches that need to be done later on. So we are now installing this sliding window, aluminum sliding window for our unit. So ito na yung screw fastening para sa ating aluminum window frame. Lalagyan na tayo ng ating sliding window.
Siguro pa rin kasi yung test dahil kung makawala bintana, bumibigla. Siyempre.
Installation of aluminum sliding window. Balik-balik lang kaya no? Paano yung kaya operation kaya yan? Yan, araw lang kaya yan. Okay. Tapos, yung handle dyan, oh, sa balyo.
Pwede ako sa ang nasa socket.
Okay. Yan ang lock. Clear lang kita, no?
Ayun.
Application of sealant. Apply tayo ng sealant sa ating aluminum window. So just to make sure na weather tight siya at hindi makapasok yung tubig, ay nagalagay tayo ng sealant all around the aluminum window to ensure na walang water penetration during the rainy season.